India. The Air Raiders command post prepares for the Tyrant's Dragon Wind attack. Hit him with everything we've got! Thunderclaw, launch! Remote missile, flare! Hold on to your helmets, men!
Launch glider! Fire! Good shot! Launch claw! Launch storm dagger! Their army's at the command post! Front fly!
Air Raiders command post and claw and Tyrant's Dragon Wind, each complete with figures.
Okay, so you know how we do. Today we're going to check out Air Raiders. This is published by M Network, or developed by M Network, published by Mattel. Came out in 1982. Well, of course Atari has to copy stuff kids like to do. So let's play some Air Raiders, I guess. Well, before we play this game, I always have to look this kind of stuff up. Now, you have to understand there's two different types of games. Atari made one called Air Raid, but that's not what we're doing. We're doing Air Raiders. So the S makes a difference. Let's see the prices here. Oh, there's Armor Ambush. Okay, there. Ooh, $11. Okay. In the box is $200. $6. I think that's all we got. So I guess if you want to get this magnificent piece of whatever, it's not going to set you back that much. But all right, let's play this thing. Okay, let's check this game out.